In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Confluence groups using the Atlassian platform. If you've ever struggled to navigate through your Confluence settings or you're just getting started, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together. So, let's dive in. First things first. From your Confluence homepage, you'll want to find your way to the settings. This might sound daunting, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. On your home page, take a moment to locate the gear icon. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to a variety of settings and configurations within Confluence. Clicking on the gear icon will take you into your admin settings, where you have access to all those important features and settings. Now, once there, your next stop is User Management. This section is crucial as it houses all information and features related to user interactions and roles. Clicking on User Management will open a new array of options where most of the user-related configurations are made. Continuing from this point, you should see an option labeled Groups. Go ahead and click on Groups. This section summarizes all the user groups you are part of or manage within Confluence. Understanding group dynamics is essential, especially if you're part of a larger team or organization where specific tasks are assigned group-wise. When you click on Groups, you'll see a list of all existing groups. The next thing you'll do is click on Show Details. This option is your ticket to viewing the intricate details of each group. The Show Details button usually appears as you hover over each group listing or can be found as a column option within the group's page. Engaging with this feature will provide you with insightful information about each group's settings and members. So, once you've clicked on Show Details, you can now view everything there is to know about each specific group. Whether you're looking to see who's in a group, how the group is categorized, or any other specific settings applied to that group, this is where you'll find it. By following these steps, you have now successfully accessed the Confluence groups and can view all the relevant details associated with them. This can help you effectively manage team roles, streamline communication, and enhance your productivity within your workspace. And that's it! You've now navigated through the essential steps needed to view and manage your Confluence groups using sample 53436.atlassian.net and admin.atlassian.com. Remember, becoming comfortable with these processes takes a bit of practice, so don't hesitate to go over these steps again if you need to. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.